Here today at English's Bridge Camping Ground. It's a free camp on the Gibb River, just in from Gornong and probably about 24 kilometres north of Bendigo. It's a nice camp, a little bit dry at the moment. We've spent a lot of time here over the years enjoying camping. We're here today to test our awning tent. This is a tent that we'll be using when we go off-road, leaving the caravan on the Gibb Road and any other places we can go. So I'll give you a bit of an idea of what it looks like. So this is our setup that we're using. We've got the tent. I put it on a ground sheet first. The ground sheet goes the full length from the car out. We've got a little bit of fake grass there, so you can wipe your feet and do that type of stuff. Inside, we've got our pump up bed. I'll just open this up and have a look. So we've got our pump up bed, which is quite nice. It's nice and high. We're using our drawer liners out of the van as side tables. It's quite hot out here, so we've actually used our Ryobi Mister fan, which has been really great. We're basically just using a single gas burner for our cooking. Rubbish bag that we'll definitely be taking out. Toilet here. We've invested in a portaloo. So that's quite a good one, and a little tent to go in it. Okay, so we've got solar blankets here, 200 watt, foldable one, basically straight into our battery, which is in here. Got our inverter, so we can pump up our bed and charge our phones and do all that type of stuff. Drawers just pull straight out. All our food. And then this side here, basically tools and anything that we might need. Persuader, yep. Anything we might need to fix things. So basically, with the awning, it comes straight off its bracket. There's no need to do anything else. We've made sure that we've actually pegged everything down fairly securely using our screw-in tent pegs, which is pretty cool. One thing I like about this tent is you can actually open up all of the windows and doors and have fly wire. And yeah, the airflow is actually quite good. So we like it. We've brought a big list of things that we had to bring. We've crossed a few things off that we don't really need, and we've added quite a few other ones. So basically, take it back home, repack it, restack it, and get ready for adventure. The last couple of things we had to pack were our clothes and our food, and we just weren't too sure on what we should actually, or how we should actually bring our clothes. So from our experience traveling overseas, we found these bags that you can get from Big W, which is just like put all your clothes in a big pile, squeeze them together, get the air out. Was the best option, because then whatever clothes you got, you actually just put them into your four-wheel drive in any little hole or grommet you want. You can put your shoes in, you can put your clothes, like your jocks and socks and stuff like that. But yeah, hot tip, best way to go, and they're waterproof.
Okay, relaxing after we set up. What do you think, Graham?
Yep, good campsite. English's Bridge is our best campsite and a good place to test our new camp out of our van, not our car. And I think we're like glamping it. We're actually glamping it.
Here's Graham doing his video. See how long it takes him before he mucks up. This is take 7. I don't think anyone really wants to know about the rubbish bag or the portaloo. No, you can't get it shut.